about July when summertime comes round, there's lots and lots of people at the seaside to be found. Some play golf or tennis, others like to take a rest. But here's the kind of exercise that I enjoy the best when I go swimming with the women. I do have a real good time, bobbing up and down in the water. It comes just below me, some Dixie line, to see them do their exercises. You wouldn't think that half of them were slimming. And when the girls stand up to sneeze, you can see their housemaid's knees if you go swimming with the women. Now even when I am at home and working day to day, I always do look forward to my half-day holiday. The people don't invite me out, they know my half-day's mixed. I go out to the bath that day because the bathing's mixed, and I go swimming with the women. And I do have a real good time. I go bobbing up and down in the water with a pretty girl whose name is Adeline. You ought to see her latest bathing costume. It's nothing but a little bit of trimming. And what I took to be her face turned out to be a different place when I went swimming with the women. One day I went in with some of my relations, and someone went and pushed me Uncle Jim in. He came up gasping for his breath and shouted, what a lovely death to die while swimming with the women. Once I went swimming with the women, and I did feel a big soft thing. A woman went and fainted in the water, and where she disappeared it left a ring. So I jumped in with nearly all my clothes on, and swam until my eyesight started dimming. And after fighting for my life, I found I'd gone and saved the wife, so I took swimming with the women.